This time on Fab Town, we're gonna fucking blow up the Miata. No, I take that back. We're gonna do some shit. I don't know how far I'm gonna get on any of this today. I want to get the Miata a little more drift worthy, which is challenging because it probably makes about 90 horsepower with the supercharger because it's got 230,000 miles on the clock. But I still want to fuck with it a little bit before I leave. So that's what I'm gonna do. Gonna try and weld the diff. See how that goes. Or these kind of suck because of the PPF and all that other bullshit. So yeah, start with that. And then, I don't know, I might fuck with it all night. I don't know. I don't know how long it's gonna take. So I'm taking you guys with me. Back in the Miata in here, I realized one crucial fact, that the floor jack is in the van at the house, and I am here at the shop with the Miata. That's when I came up with this lovely plan. Yeah. Oh yeah. All of this. All of it. All of it. I'm gonna do this. I don't know if you should do this. I'm gonna do it though. Woo! There she goes, boys. Well, I'd say that was fairly successful. Would I recommend this for a car that you actually care about? No, because it dented the shit out of the car and it scratched it real bad. But for me, perfect. Got this thing safely on some jack stands. Yeah. Get this engine hoist out of the way and then start pulling this diff. And voila! The diff is out. There's not much oil in this thing. I don't know how much is supposed to be in here, but that doesn't look like enough. And not a whole lot came out when we got it loose, so yeah. Anyways, we're gonna weld this bad boy up so we can go have some fun with her. Because open diffs are lame, and I don't like them. All right, welded. Let's see. Done. That should hold all 90 horsepower. Maybe. Not maybe that'll hold. Maybe this makes 90 horsepower. Let's throw this back in there. All right, the diff is obviously back in. That thing sucks. And we got our test rubber on here. Got some snow tires on some Honda wheels. I'll just put about 60 PSI in them. So that should be perfect. And we're gonna go let this thing eat, I think. Maybe do a little rally sesh. I don't know. I don't know what might happen. I should actually put the Honda wheels on the front too for this rally sesh, but I don't know. We'll see. All right, me and my lovely assistant here got our ear protection in. We're gonna go shred the Miata.
So loud.
It's fucking loud. Alright, we're gonna see if it does a burnout now. Hold it up. Does burnouts. This should be interesting. Put it in first gear. Up higher. Hell yeah, you're killing it. We have like no oil pressure too, so.
No.
Pretty successful donuts, if you ask me.
Yeah.
So
Fun.
that's going to be the first step for anybody learning to drift, is to do some donuts, and she's going to try and learn, so that should be interesting. And we might have to put some thicker oil in this old Miata because she ain't got a whole lot of oil pressure. So we're just gonna bump it up maybe 1540 diesel motor oil. That should do it. All right, I think that's gonna be it for today's video. Obviously Miata rips. It's pretty sweet. She's excited. I'm excited. And maybe we'll get to go shred it pretty soon. All right, peace.